Good evening, children. Hi everybody. So, welcome to our Easy Maths channel. I'm very happy to say to post today one more video on sets. And one more thing, we are going to finish our sets topic in within two videos with objective type questions. I'm going to do one more video for 10th class children. So keeping in mind SSC board examination. So whatever the questions are important for objective type, so those all questions we'll discuss in a few minutes in one complete separate video. So today we are going to discuss notation of sets. In the notation of sets, we'll discuss set builder form and roster form. Before going to the video, I'm requesting you all, please subscribe the video, like the video, share the video, and hit the bell icon. Fine. Now, set builder form and roster form. So what is the notation of sets? So in this notation of sets, so mainly we will discuss set builder form. If a set is given, how to write in different forms? Let us see in this video. Fine. So see children, first of all roster form and set builder form. So what is this roster form? Right, roasted. So ready to eat. Roasted means ready to eat. So in the same way, in sets also ready to eat means what? So ready to use. Ready to use. How? So generally sets are denoted by capital alphabets. Right. And here one example is given. Q is equal to square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, kite, isosceles, trapezium and dot. And these are the types of quadrilaterals. And these all are kept in one set. So hence we can say this is a set of types of quadrilateral, right? Okay. Hence, so how it is? So this is the list of all quadrilaterals. Hence, we can say this is as a list form. Wow. So these all names are listed. These all forms are listed. Names are listed. So list form, or we can write this as roster form. Right. Let us see few more examples. Right. See here one more example is there. That is A is a set of multiples of 3 less than 20. See, this is in the form of statement. So by seeing this statement, can we say the elements? No. So we should think what are the multiples of 3 and the 2 less than 20. Okay, right. So those are, let us see what are they. So A is equal to multiples of 3 starts from 3, then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21. Yeah, wait. 21 is more than 21 is more than 20. Hence we need not to take 21 here, because here less than 20 it is given. So hence A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay, right. So this is, see, these all elements are listed now from the above statement. So this, whatever the given statement is in the form of statement form, so we can say this is as set builder form. Set builder form. And whatever the elements are listed, so elements are listed here. Elements are listed. Elements are listed. Okay. So when elements are listed, so elements are listed, so we can say elements are listed. Okay, so we can say this is list form or roster form. Okay, fine. Let us see one more example. Okay, understand one more example. Let us see one more example. Right. So I think you understand this. Okay, fine. Now one more example. Second one is, see, the set of digits in the Ramanujan number. So what is the Ramanujan number? 7219. Okay, whatever the number it is. So the digits are 7, 2, 1, 9. So in this Ramanujan number, whatever it is, either either it is 7219 or 2719 or 9271 or 9217, whatever it is the number. Okay, one number is given. So if any number is given, and we need to write the set using the digits, is, see, 7219. So write these all digits. In set symbol. It become listed, means list form. Right. Coming to next example. Wow. So what is this next example? See this. The set of letters forming the word school. See, if you observe school, S is one letter, C is one letter, H is one letter, O is repeated twice. So we should take only one O. Understand? Only one O we should take. And L is 1. Why 1 O? Because one student has written by seeing this blindly S, C, H, O, L, and another student S, C, H, O, L. In the second one is correct, because in the sets, so elements should not be repeated. So O is repeated here, so that's the first one is wrong. Second one is correct, SCHOL. So these elements are listed. So these, whatever the letters are there and the word school are listed as SCHOL. So it is list form or roster form. So let us do with another example. Okay, right. So children, so the differences between roster form and list form. So what is the roster form? What is the list form? Roster means it is a list form. And set builder form. Set builder form in the form of statement or condition. Okay, condition. Fine. Right, very good. So let us see few more examples. Right. See here some roster form examples are there. Some set builder form examples are there. So let us see. A, E, I, O, U. No letter is repeated. So list form. Fine. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Direct elements are given. Here also 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Direct elements. Here 2, 5, 10, 17. Direct element. No confusions. Ready to eat, just ready to use. These are okay. Hence we can say these are roster form. And coming to set builder form, what are these? Let us see. V is equal to, V is the set. How the each element, X is the element. How it is vowels in English alphabets. So these all elements should be vowels. Vowels means what? A, E, I, O, U. Finish. A, E, I, O, U. So here this is set builder form, and it is, what is this? List form. Exactly whatever you are saying, 100% it is correct. Now coming to second one, A. What is the second one here? X such that, how X is -2 to +2, and X belongs to Z. Z means integers. X is an integer, but in the integers from -2 to +2. Now for example, how to write these elements? So just draw a line, number line you draw, and write integers from -2 to +2. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. He's asking the elements from -2 to +2. So these are the integers only. So integers are many, -3, -4, like this. So 2 after 3, 4, 5, so on. So but he is asking the elements from -2 to +2. So take those all elements: -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. That's it. Okay. So these are the integers, and also -2 to +2. Now coming to next one. So X such that X is the element. How it should be? 1 by n in the form of fraction. 1 numerator is 1 and denominator is n. N should be how much? Natural number. N belongs to n, natural number. Natural number condition is what? But natural number should be less than 5 only. Means suppose once I take 1, next 2, next 3, next 4, next 5. Means 1 to 5 only. 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Suppose here n is less than or equal to 5 is given. So we are writing 1 till 1 by 5. Suppose here only it is n is less than 5. Less than 5 means we should not take 5. 5 is excluded. Till up to 1 by 4 only we should take. Okay. Next coming to next one. Next one is, what is the next question? C. C is equal to how much? X such that X is equal to n square plus 1, and n is the natural number. Next, n less than or equal to 4. Means n we should use from 1 to 4. Why from 1? Because n is the natural number. Natural number starts from 1. Hence 1 to 4. Substitute 1 first. 1 square plus 1. 1 square plus 1 is 2. Now substitute 2. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Fine. Now substitute 3. 3 square plus 1. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Now substitute 4. 4 square is 16 plus 1. 17. So this is about set builder form and roster form. Now let us see few more examples. So these are the examples I have taken from the government textbook, SCRT textbook. So you can refer the questions. Now G. The first question is G is equal to all factors of 20. All factors of 20. How to find all factors of 20? So 20 is equal to 1 into 20, 20. Now 2 into 10, 20. Next 3 table it won't go. 4 table, 4 5s are 20. Next 5 table, 5 4s are 20. See, 4 5s are 5 4s are both are same. So we need not, we can stop here. Now what are the all factors? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So these are all factors you write in set. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Understand? So these are the factors 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. These are the all factors of 20. We should write these all factors as elements in G. That is G. So G is mentioned in the above question is all the factors of 20. So it is in statement form. So it is hence it is set builder form. So these all are listed. These all factors are listed. So this is list form. Now coming to next question. F is equal to the multiples of 4 between 17 and 61. Write multiples of 4 first of all. Multiples of 4. So multiples of 4. What are the multiples? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. But he is asking from more than 17. More than 17 means starts from 20. 4 5s are 20. 4 6 are 24. Add 4. So 28. Next 32. Next 36. Next 40. Next 44. Next 48. Next 52. Next 56. Next 60. Next 64. But 64 we should not take because here he is asking less than 61. In the same way, see what is asking, which are divisible by 7. Which are divisible by 7 means simple, write 7 multiple also. So multiples of 7. Multiples are 7. 7 1s are 7, but more than 17. 7 3s are 21. 7 2s are 14. 14 is lesser than 17. 7 3s are 21. 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 7, 35. 35 plus 7, 42. Why I am adding plus 7? So 7 multiples. So we are writing 7 multiples. So first multiple is 21, which is more than 70. So after that, if I add 7, it becomes the multiple of 7. 42 after 49. 49 plus 7, 56. And 56 plus 7, yes, 67. 67 only. 67. 56 plus 7, 63. 63. 63 plus 7, 70. 70 plus 7, 77. Wait. So we should write only the multiples are 7 less than 61. So here already we reached, exceeded also. So 63, 70, 77 are not required. Understand? So we can remove these. Right? I am removing this. Right. So then what to do now? We should select the numbers which are common for 4 and 7 because he is asking F as multiples of 4 and which are divisible by 7 means which are 4 means multiples of 4 and 7. So 21 is not 28. See, underline this. 28, 35, no. 42, no. 49, no. 56, 56. That's it. So we find only 28 comma 56 are multiples of 4 and 7. So multiples of 4 and 7. So hence f is nothing but 28 comma 56. Understand? So this much it is there. So now it is listed. It is list form. See, it is what it is. Statement form is set builder form. Next, coming to next set. So already we have done school. So how school we have written. So the same method. S is the set using the letters from the word madam. So M we can take, A we can take, D we can take. See, A already repeated, M repeated. So M is repeated 2 times and A is repeated 2 times. So we should take only 1 time only. That's why M is taken 1 time, A is taken 1 time and D is taken 1 time. That's it. So M, A, D are the elements taken from the word madam. So these are listed, roasted means. So roster form we have written. Now coming to next question. Next question is very simple. So first whatever the questions comes like this, so better to write the number line. So write the whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Let me write all these this side. So because it should be visible. All right. Once again I will draw. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what is asking? X is a whole number. I have written whole numbers. All whole. Between 3.5 and 6.7. First of all, where is 3.5? Between 3 and 4. Here it is 3.5. Then where is 6.7 exactly? Tell children. Yes, between 6.7. Now you locate what are the whole numbers in between these two decimals. They are 4, 5, 6. Exactly. Whatever you are saying, it's correct. So 4, 5, 6. So these are the whole numbers. And write in set. So that will be P. P is equal to 4, 5, 6. So which are in between 3.5 and 6.7. Very good. Now, so write the following sets in roster form. So I think you all have understand how to write from set builder form to roster form. Okay. So our list form. So here he is asking that B is equal to the months in a year having 30 days. So here 30 days means June, January 31, February 28, next March 31, April 30. So like that, you should write which month, how many days they are. Okay, right. So now write all the months names which have 30 days. So they are, first one is April, correct? April. Next June, very good, nice, fine. Next children, June after September, very nice. After that, wow, November, wow, very good. November. Any other? December contains December contains 31 days. So these are the months which have 30 days in the month. Okay, so that's why we have written these all in set symbol, that become the B, set B, whatever he asked. Right. Now coming to next, P is equal to, what is asking? P is the set of all prime numbers smaller than 10. Smaller than 10, what are the prime numbers? Prime number starts from 2. So 2 is the even prime number. And also 3, 5, next 7, 9. 9 is the odd number, we should not take. So that's it. So these are the prime numbers, so which are lesser than 10. So this is the method to write set builder form to roster form or list form. Next, X is the set of colors in the rainbow. Rainbow is Vibgyor colors. So those Vibgyor colors you write in set builder form, and the set builder form to roster form, then you will get the answer. And till now we have discussed how to convert set builder form to list form. So in the next video we'll discuss about how to write a list form or roster form into set builder form. I hope you all have understand this video and today's topic. Thank you very much. Wait. So before closing your video, so please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you very much.